Hello everyone, in this video I am telling you how to improve your coding skill. So if you want to improve your coding skill, then just you have to practice. Then guys, in this video I am telling you best ways to practice your coding skill. So let's begin. So first of all guys, you have to come to my website. Here you can see the link of my website, and guys now you have to just scroll down, and guys here you can see the source code. So guys now you have to click on download. Then guys now from here you can see the demo. From here you can view the demo. Yeah. And then guys, if you're a programmer and you can build a website by yourself, then guys just you have to copy this layout. So just you have to create your website just like this, and you can practice your coding skill. So guys, guys like this you can practice, and also you can find a design. Also you like this you can put shadow. Also you can put also you can put animation, and guys many things. So guys, if you want to practice your coding skills, then just you have to copy your layout. Just you have to create a layout just like anything, just like anything. And guys like this you can practice your coding skill. And guys also if you want also if you don't know how to make a website, then guys also you can see this demo. So from here you can see the demo. And first of all just first of all you have to try it by yourself. But if you can't, then guys also you can then guys just you have to click on download, and from here you can download the source code, and from there you can see how I have created that website. Then guys like this you can use. Then guys remember, this is Next.js website. So you can see this is a Next.js website. So like this you can practice your coding skill. And then guys also if you want to improve your coding skill by reading blogs and articles, then just guys just you have to click on this read now. So from here you can read blogs and articles. So this is amazing. Like this you can do anything. So this is amazing, and also this is fantastic. So like this you can improve your coding skill. And guys if you want to improve your coding skill, then just you have to practice. So the best way to practice is just you have to copy your layout, and also you can view the source code. So this website is created using Next.js. So guys now thanks for watching for now. So guys that's it. So thanks for watching. So guys thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you want to improve your coding skills, then just go to codeloud.cf. This is the best website for programmer. So now that's it. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.